Hello friends, today in this video I'm quickly want to show you a few shortcuts that you can use to delete rows, columns, worksheet and notes. Notes means you comment, sometime you may have added some comments in your Excel sheet, you can delete with using some shortcut keys combinations. Let me take you to my Excel sheet and show you those shortcuts. I hope you will remember them and like this video as well. Okay, man, first shortcut I want to show you is to delete a row. You can press Control, isn't Alt, it's Control and minus key. You just need to select the row you want to delete and Control and I, it will automatically delete it. Okay, next is delete column. You can also delete the column similar way. Just select the column and press Control and minus. And if you want to delete the complete whole worksheet, you can press Alt E and L on your keyboard. Alt E and L. Soon you press it will give you a warning that you want to delete the worksheet may contain some data. Do you want to proceed? You can press yes by pressing this delete button. The whole worksheet will go on. And finally, if you want to delete notes that you may have added on your Excel cells, that can be done with the keyboard combination Shift F10 and M. Let's see. I want to insert some comments where they are. It should be here. So here, comment, dig, command. So few comments are there. And just select the range and want to press Shift F10 and M, all gone. So these are the few shortcuts that are quite interesting and you should know them if you really work on Excel professionally. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching again.